Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your family and friends are doing well. As you know what's happening around the world, a lot of us are on lockdown, and I found so many ways in order to be creative while I have, you know, this time at home. And one of the things that I do enjoy doing is gardening, and I decided to plant up my first spring container, and I thought that why not record it and share it with you guys. Maybe you will be inspired to do something like this. If you don't have the space to go out in the garden, you can also do this project on your balcony. If you don't have a balcony, you can also minimize it and create the same sort of arrangement for your dinner table as a centerpiece by adding Easter eggs or what have you. But I just decided to share this with you guys, and I hope you feel inspired by this video. Make sure you're taking the necessary precautions and stay safe, guys, and let's get started on the video. These are the plants that I will be using for this project today, so let's have a look at them. As you can see, there are two drainage holes inside this pot, and what we want to do is to cover them up so that the soil won't run out when we give the plants water. So we do it just like that. Just adding this fertilizer. So there we have the finished product. I think it came out good. My window is going to look so happy and cheerful.